Well, my first target for today is a piece of wire. And today I am here in the corral next to the old building. And I did part of this corral before, so I'm doing this, starting this other half. And Dad said they used to work the calves in here a lot, so people could have dropped things or lost things. So we'll see what we can find. Well, I found this red rock sitting right here, and this is an area where there's Native American stuff. So I'm keeping my eyes open for that, but I just have to wonder what this red rock is doing here. Some of the artifacts was made from red rock, so I'll just set this over there. So in the artifact area, I put stuff that I don't want to bring to the house. It's really not that great of stuff, so put it over there just to look at once in a while. Can you see the little twins? They just snuck up on me over there. The mama says, I'm kind of scared. Actually, these guys have gotten pretty tame. There they are, the twins. Well, I just found this measuring cup. It was on the surface. Looks like there might have been a handle there. You can see where it says level cup. So, measuring something up here at the corral. Well, got that about an inch down. Ha ha ha. I got a round thing. Yes, I did. Well, about 3 inches down I found this. And then I found these things. Lots of targets in this corral. Well, this is what I found so far, and as you can see, it's just mostly a bunch of junk. Of course, these all sounded really good, and that kind of, this is kind of cool. Dad used this to measure something, and I'm not sure what this is. Maybe a latch for something, or like a gate. Don't know. With some new and old nails. So let's see what else we can find. Well, I found this little thing just under the surface. Well, I've been finding a lot of this kind of stuff, and I finished that corral over there, and now I'm starting this little one over, start on this side and move over that way. So let's see if we can find something else. Oh yeah. And there's a lot of Pepsi and beer cans in here. Well, I found this old hinge right here, a couple inches down. And in this section, there was some old buildings that used to sit here. That's why I'm finding so many nails. I mean, it's just a constant iron field here. So I'll show you a picture at the end of some of the old buildings that used to sit here. Well, I just found another hinge. Looks, it's a little bit longer, down about 3 inches, a couple feet away from the other one. Cool, finally some old relics. Well, here's my next lovely find. All right, well, these are the finds I have for this afternoon. As you can see, it's mostly junk. Some neat hinges. And this piece, I don't know what that was for. And the rest are more modern nails. This may be a square nail, but I'm not sure. This thing, which there's a lot of those sitting over there by the fence. And the cans, that sounded really great. It's getting pretty windy out here. The dust is going in my eyes, so I'm gonna quit for now. So I just found this rock right here next to my pickup. Could have been packed here by the Native Americans. Well, I got a surface find here. What do we got? Big chunk. Interesting. Well, I just dug up a piece of wire, and it looks like maybe a can rim right here. And I'm out here this morning again trying to finish up this small corral here. It's a nice cool day. So, still have this area left. Let's see if we can find anything. Well, just found another modern bullet shell. Well, I just found this bullet shell just down about an inch. I don't know, kind of maybe looks old. Well, this bullet shell on the left is bigger than the Winchester 270 on the right. So I wonder what this is. Well, I just got this down about an inch right here next to the water turn-off area. Turn on watering trough. So, yep, an old handle. Well, about an inch down, I found another bullet shell. Well, a couple inches down, I got this. It looks like a flattened bullet. But I wonder what size it is. It's heavy. Woohoo! Could this possibly be from a 40 caliber Sharps? I mean, do you think it's big enough? Because we had one of those kind of guns here at the ranch. Well, I just dug this up. I think it's a piece of a bullet. It rang up a 43 on the AT Pro. Hey guys, I just had this nice little nature experience. I was over there metal detecting and I heard this, "No, oh," and I thought it was the cat. But I looked up there, and in the shade there was a fawn, and he'd run over there and he was calling for his mama. And so I decided to, he didn't even notice me. I decided to go over here where my chair is, because my cell phone's over there. And I turned the chair and sat down and watched him. And then he just came down, went over there for a minute, and then he came over here. And then he squeezed through the fence over there. And then he went around this way, and he was eating grass over there. And then he went over that way. And I'll show you some clips of that right now. That little fawn. Look at him right there. He went over there now. He's just not too scared of me. And that little deer's back. And I just walked up here and he doesn't even move. Let's see if I can get closer. Hi, little fella. Oh, hi, sweetie. It's just me. How you doing? Hi, little cutie. It's okay. He says, I don't know about this. I don't know about this. Aw, sweetie pie. Hi, little friend. Says, I'm kind of scared. It's okay. Where's your mama? Well, that's all for today. I will show you what I found. Well, here's what I found this afternoon. Some bullet shells. Of course, those sounded good. This was my last signal. I thought it was going to be an old penny, but that's what it was. There, guys. Nails, metal, water spigot. So, bunch of trash here. Join me in these videos to go on some more metal detecting adventures. And if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing and smash that like button. Thank you so much for watching.